Hey y'all, Rick here. If your tankless water heater is not warm enough, and if you're using a Rheem, I'm using a Rheem tankless water heater, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. But there's two things you can do to warm it up. Now, most water heaters like this Rheem, you're probably going to have to go to the tankless water heater itself and go beyond. A lot of them are maxed out for safety reasons at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you choose to go beyond that, if you choose to go hotter, you're probably going to have to do it from the console. That's what you got to do with the Rheem. But once you've done that, in my case, and again, expand this video's description and click the link there. But you can see now that I've gone beyond 120 degrees from the tankless water heater's integrated display or console, whatever you want to call it. Now, within my EcoNet app, which is the app that's Wi-Fi connected by way of Wi-Fi rather to my Rheem tankless water heater. Now within the app, without having to go to the physical tankless water heaters in my basement, I can go all the way to 140 degrees. The sweet spot for me, personal preference, is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to set it to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. But if your tankless water heater is not warm enough, check with your manufacturer's owner's manual and all that, and see what it's like, what you got to do to adjust it. But more than likely, it's probably going to be something you have to do from the tankless water heater itself. And if you do have an app like mine, and by the way, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the Rheem tankless water heater like I have that has the app, you will probably find that it's easy to increase the temperature of the water. So I hope this video helped. If it did, send me a super thanks. You can find the thanks button down below this video. Not required, but if you choose to send me a super thanks, it's a great way to support my channel and to support videos like this one. And who knows, I may have saved you a service call. And did you know that most service calls, just for a service call, even if they don't do anything, typically over $100 US dollars. Isn't that crazy? Send me a super thanks. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.